Are you tired of spending hours editing YouTube videos, writing scripts, and getting zero views? What if an AI could run an entire YouTube news channel for you on autopilot? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at AI News Channel Maker. I will show you exactly what this software does, look inside the dashboard, and reveal my massive custom bonus package you get if you pick this up through my link below. Here is my honest first impression. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel but hate editing and being on camera, AI News Channel Maker is a solid shortcut. The front end is incredibly cheap at under $20. It does exactly what it says on the tin, but to get true set and forget automation, you will need to grab one of the upgrades. Stick around and I will explain exactly which ones are worth your money. So what exactly is AI News Channel Maker? It is a cloud-based software that builds and runs a profitable YouTube news channel for you. It's perfect for new affiliate marketers or creators who have no video editing skills, no big budget, and no desire to show their face on camera. The biggest problem it solves is time. Instead of you manually scraping trending news, writing a script, finding stock footage, and doing voiceovers, the AI agent does all of it. It creates shorts and long-form news videos in minutes. Let us look inside the dashboard. It is very simple to use. Step 1, you log in and activate the AI News Agent engine. Step 2, you choose your news niche. You can pick tech, finance, viral news, or global events. You also pick if you want a YouTube short or a long-form video. Step 3, you click Go. The software goes out, finds a trending news story, writes a hook-optimized script, adds an AI voiceover, puts B-roll footage over it, and adds captions. You can then auto-publish it directly to YouTube or TikTok without ever leaving the dashboard.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you create news content, how you build online income, how you automate an entire YouTube news channel starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could run a YouTube news channel without researching news manually, without writing scripts, without editing videos, without uploading anything yourself? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are people still struggling to build content channels the hard way? Think about what it actually takes. You have to find trending news, write scripts, create videos, edit everything, add voiceovers, upload content, optimize SEO, and repeat this process again and again and again. No wonder most people quit. Not because they lack ambition, but because the process is exhausting. Hours of work, constant pressure, and sometimes zero results. And here's the frustrating part. YouTube rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. Channels that publish daily grow. Channels that don't disappear. So the real question becomes, how do you publish daily news content without burning out? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something powered by AI agents. Introducing AI News Channel Maker, the breakthrough AI agent system that researches trending news, writes scripts, creates videos, edits content, publishes automatically, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool, and it's definitely not a script generator. This is a complete AI-powered news channel engine. Here's what happens when you activate it. The AI agent starts finding trending and breaking news in your niche. Then it writes high-retention scripts designed to keep viewers watching. Next, it generates the full video, voiceover, visuals, captions, editing, everything. And then it publishes the video directly to your YouTube channel, automatically, which means no recording, no editing software, no complicated setup, just automation. And here's where it gets really powerful, because once your channel starts publishing consistently, those videos become digital assets, working for you 24/7. Bringing views, subscribers, traffic, revenue opportunities, not for one day, but potentially for years. And don't worry, this system was designed for beginners. No coding, no technical skills. You can click a few buttons. You can run this. Now, here's the kicker. Most tools do that, even a small part of this charge monthly fees. $49, $97, even $297 a month. But today, you can unlock AI News Channel Maker for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just activate once and let the AI run your news channel forever. And yes, you're fully protected by your 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it and don't love it, we refund every penny, no questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep struggling to create content manually, or do you activate an AI agent that runs your entire news channel for you? If you're ready to automate news video creation, publish content daily without effort, grow views and subscribers consistently, build income from trending news, and finally leverage AI instead of working nonstop, then click the button below. Activate AI News Channel Maker and let your AI agent start building your channel today. No research, no editing, no stress, just automation. Your move.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end price is only $17. This gives you the core software to create your videos. But like all software in this space, there are upgrades you should know about. Upgrade 1 is the Unlimited Edition for $47. I highly recommend this one. It removes all limits on video creation, channels, and voiceovers, and it removes the watermarks. If you want to scale, you need this. Upgrade 2 is the Done For You edition for $97. They will set up your branding and give you upload-ready content. Upgrade 3 is the Automation edition for $37. This is the other upgrade I suggest. It unlocks the true 24/7 automated publishing schedule so the AI runs while you sleep. There are a few other upgrades like the Traffic edition and Agency edition, but you only need the Unlimited and Automation upgrades to get the best results. Now, let's talk about the bonuses. If you click the link in the description below and buy AI News Channel Maker today, I am giving you a massive custom bonus package to guarantee your success. I have handpicked these 10 bonuses to fix any gaps in the software and get you traffic faster. Bonus 1 is TubeLytics. This is a powerful analytics tool to track your YouTube video performance and scale your views. Bonus 2 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This finds hidden, low-competition search terms across YouTube and Google, so your videos actually rank. Bonus 3 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a fast training on how to get hyper-targeted views for pennies. Bonus 4 is ShareBlast, a software that blasts your new videos to 42 different social networks in one click for instant free traffic. Bonus 5 is VidBuilder. If you want to put your videos on a website, it creates blazing fast video sales pages. Bonus 6 is WP Video Focus. This keeps your videos playing in the corner of your site when people scroll down your site, keeping them engaged. Bonus 7 is Socialtima, an all-in-one tool to force social sharing and drive massive viral traffic to your news channels. Bonus 8 is WP Swift Page. This speeds up your websites to drop bounce rates and keep visitors watching your content. Bonus 9 is Conversion Equalizer, a system to tweak your campaigns and automatically boost your return on investment. Bonus 10 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside your emails to force your subscribers to click your video links immediately. Remember, these 10 exclusive bonuses are only available when you use the link in the description below. Here is the final verdict. AI News Channel Maker is a powerful tool to get your foot in the door with YouTube automation. It takes the heavy lifting out of content creation. But my bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the page forever. Don't miss out on this stack. Click the link in the description below right now to lock in your copy for just $17 and claim all 10 of my custom bonuses before they expire. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense software reviews. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus purchase receipt. See you in the next video.